is for Module 5, Lesson 6, and today you are modeling objects and representing numbers 10 to 20 with a place value or your hide zero cards, but you don't have to have those. So right now I have two 10 frames because my numbers are between 10 and 20. So if I have a number that's more than 10, I have to have another 10 frame. The 10 frames are set up vertically, so that means they go up and down, so they might look a little bit different than you're used to. So for this one, it says that I need to show 10 and 5. So what I'm going to do is, if I have 10 right here on my left side, I know I need to fill up the whole 10 frame because a 10 frame has 10 spaces. So I have 10, and now I need 5 more. Okay, and then it's asking to draw the number. So how many is 10 and 5? Well, if I know if I have 10, I can count up from 10 on my 10 frame that's on the right side. Let me go ahead and count. So after 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I know 10, 5 is 15. And you might remember that from our Rec and Rec. Okay, now I'm going to set up a problem for you to do on your own at home. Okay, so I have my two 10 frames, and the number that I want you to show is 10 and 8. And what number does that make as a T number between 10 and 20? So I want you to fill out your 10 frames, write your 10 and your 8, and then show me what number 10, 8 is. Send me a picture when you're done.